Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Dodge Avenger. First, you'll need a set of jumper cables and another vehicle with a working battery. Make sure both cars are turned off and in park or neutral. It's also important to locate your Avenger's battery, which is usually under the hood. Safety is key, so take a moment to prepare before connecting anything. Now, let's connect the cables. Take one red clamp and attach it to the positive terminal of your Avenger's dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Next, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Avenger, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, start the engine of the working vehicle. Let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your Avenger's battery. After 5 minutes, try to start your Dodge Avenger. If it doesn't start right away, give it a few more minutes to charge and then try again. Patience is often helpful here. Once your Avenger starts, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your Avenger. Then, disconnect the black clamp from the good battery's negative terminal. Next, remove the red clamp from the good battery's positive terminal. Lastly, disconnect the red clamp from your Avenger's positive terminal. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.